Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, I'm particularly going to talk about those candidates who got qualified newly after the cutoff revision. The cutoff revision is 25 percentile for this year and is huge cutoff revision. The candidates who were not able to qualify from few years, they have got qualified this year. Okay, and there are different ways how to get admission or the confirmed seat, but at the same time you need to keep the tuition fee budget on the higher side. I'll tell you in this video that how you can get seat confirmation in the lower score also, and at the same time you can get top clinical branches. So if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and on the description, in the description of the video, you can find our contact number, that is 9319128677. You can call on that number to avail our paid counseling guidance. Taking decision at the right moment is the key in order to do the counseling in the best way, depending on your score and the branch preference and budget also. So candidates who are from southern part of India, if they want admission then there only, or those who are from northern part, if they want admission in the northern part of India, colleges located in northern part. So depending on the language they know, okay, so that they don't face language issue, they can make decision. But okay, depending on the colleges and its reputation, the tuition fee is also different, and I'll tell you how to go about in order to get a confirmed seat. First approach is through, first of all, in this score range from 169 to 274, getting a clinical seat, a government clinical seat, is really difficult task. Okay, so you have to make your mind to get private seat, and you need to keep that word budget. I'll tell you the budget and how to go about to get a confirmed seat. First approach is NRI seat. Okay, for the NRI seat you need to have the eligibility. The state-wise registration process is going on, and for mop-up round it will start. So for NRI seat you need to prepare and keep ready your NRI eligibility certificates, like the sponsorship certificate, affidavit, and the ID or passport visa of the NRI person, and family tree and all such things, so that you can apply when the registration opens for mop-up round. And regarding the states, for round 2 itself, okay, or the further rounds, they have opened their registration portal only for the newly qualified candidates. Okay, so first approach is NRI. Okay, in the NRI you have to check the tuition fee for different colleges and where the NRI seats are available. NRI seat fee might be varying from like 50 lakhs to 90 lakhs, or there are some colleges in southern part of India, particularly in the state of Karnataka, there is Q quota seat. Okay, and for Q quota seat everyone is eligible, those who are from Karnataka and outside, without having NRI documentation, they can go about and take the seat through the counseling in Q quota. The tuition fee is quite high, and maximum tuition fee is around 1.3 CR. So now you are able to realize like how you can get confirmed seat in the lower score also. Okay, other is in a state like Rajasthan and Karnataka, they have kept a very high tuition fee, okay, for management quota also. So it's also possible that if seat is left over in the stay vacancy round, you can reach at the college, okay, following all the procedures which is required to be followed for the stay vacancy round, and you can do negotiation, which is a legal process. If the tuition fee is very high, then you can negotiate on the tuition fee to get a seat in that college in particular branch. So that's also possible. So if and other is, so there are two ways, NRI and management quota. Okay, these are two options you have. When you are going for management quota, then you should choose those colleges where the tuition fee is very high. If you are choosing the colleges like in UP where the tuition fee is just 20 lakhs, it is really difficult to get a clinical seat in this score range. Okay, so for different clinical branches like radio, dermatology, general medicine, pediatrics, OBGY, orthopedics, general surgery, ophthalmology, psychiatric medicine, ENT, and anesthesia. I'll tell you how much is the budget as you can see on the screen. If you want to get a seat in radio diagnosis through NRI or management quota, okay, the tuition fee might be ranging between 75 lakhs to 90 lakhs, okay, and total 3-year package excluding hostel charges, it can go about around 2.25 to it can go up to 2.75 also. For dermatology also the same package. So see, these are the pointers. Based on that you can decide if you want to go for medicine branches or surgical branches, which is the branch you can get comfortably, or what is the according to your package, how much ability you have to pay, and accordingly which branch you should target. General medicine is one of the most demanding branches from last 2 years. This package may go up to 60 to 70 lakhs per year in NRI and management quota, and the 3 years budget would be around 1.8 to 2 lakhs, or 2.2, okay, CR. Pediatrics branch is also one of the most demanding medicine branches, okay, and it's also a terminal branch where the budget might be between 55 lakhs to 60 lakhs per year, okay, and for different colleges located in different states it will be different, but around 1.6 to around 1.8, if you have the budget you can go ahead and get a seat in these branches. OBGY and orthopedics, pediatrics, for these 3 branches the package will remain almost same. For general surgery and ophthalmology it will be around 40 to 50 lakhs per year, and the budget you can see around 1.1 to 1.5. For psychiatric medicine it's 30 to 50 lakhs, and the budget starting from around 85 to 90, and it can go up to 1.5 in the top deemed universities. For ENT it can be between 25 to 40 lakhs. For anesthesia this is the minimum amount, 20 to 35 lakhs per year, okay. And if you want to know like where should you target, in which state, and what decision you should take, and how you should approach the counseling in order to get the confirmed seat, then you can call us and talk to us, okay. So the number is given in the description, and there is also Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group, that's for free. So that's it from my side in this video. We will meet again and discuss on other topic. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.